Hello, I'm Scott Douglas with MarineMax of Wrightsville Beach, and today we're on the incredible 42 Cantius cruisers. Starting here on the swim platform, notice we got a hydraulic platform, stairs that lead down into the water when deployed, great storage on either side, built-in grill right in the center where it should be. Moving up into the cockpit, you have wonderful L-shaped seating here, ice maker built in on the port side here, a Yeti cooler tucked around behind your seat on the starboard side. Moving into the salon of the 42 Cantius, you know that these doors slide all the way over to open this up in all one space. Great for entertaining. Starboard side, you have this really nice high gloss table, great seating all around, and you also have your galley aft. So you got a large sink, microwave and convection oven, 2-burner cooktop, refrigerator, and the TV on the port side. On the port side, you have a nice lounge seat for your passengers when you're running. Moving over to the helm area, notice you have twin Garmin screens. This boat is equipped with the Volvo IPS 500's joystick control. VHF ship-to-shore radio, compass right in the middle, and a Rockford Fosgate stereo. You also have a nice sunroof that opens here, tracks back to give you some fresh air and some light here at the helm. The bow area of the 42 Cantius is very spacious, great seating with pop-up lounge seats. So your forward VIP stateroom is a full beam. You got 2 nice windows, port and starboard, very spacious stateroom, hanging lockers on port and starboard side, and you also have private access to your head and separate shower. Starboard side stateroom is a very spacious stateroom. You got a full beam bunk. You also have a sofa opposed to that bed. Great storage with a hanging locker, and your main distribution panel is right when you step inside the door. Thanks for taking a look at the 42 Cantius. If you'd like to see this boat in person, my name's Scott Douglas with MarineMax of Wrightsville Beach, and we can be reached at 910-256-8100.